no credit check, no interest, and no hidden fee. This is a huge opportunity for anyone who's looking to get this $1,000 credit line, which can change a number of things for a number of people who are struggling to get a credit line from any financial institution because of their bad or worst credit score. In this video, I'm going to tell you about this massive opportunity that will allow you to get this $1,000 worth of credit line with no credit check at all. And I'm also going to give you the step-by-step guide in this video, so make sure you stay with us till the end. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So let's start with this massive opportunity, and this is from Mind, and it used to be known as Fizz. Yes, Mind is a financial institution that can give you up to $1,000 in credit line, and you can get it in just minutes. There is no credit check, no interest, no hidden fee, and no minimum deposit. This is a huge opportunity for anyone who's looking to get a credit line. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not endorsing them, but this is a review, and this credit product right now also got awarded the best credit builder business insider app as well. This is an amazing opportunity. So let's get into it, because I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, so make sure you stay with us till the end. According to them, it's time to build your future, and you can get started in minutes. So how does Mind works? So right here, as you can see, the Mind card works by first connecting your existing bank account. If you're approved, you'll get a credit line from our partner, Lead Bank, for an amount tied to your balance to keep you from overspending. Mind also comes with 2 key features that can help keep you on top of your game. With daily auto pay, you can automatically pay off your purchases every day, so that can start fresh each day. Which Save Freeze will lock your card if you happen to miss a payment, so you will avoid building up a balance. This is great. Every month we report your spending habits through credit bureaus, helping you to build your credit history. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone who wants to increase their credit score and build their credit history. This is amazing. So how can Mind build my credit history? With Mind, you get an unsecured line of credit, Lead Bank, but while traditional credit cards make it easy to overspend, fall into debt, and hurt your credit, Mind makes being responsible easier than ever. With our spend limit feature, we help prevent you from spending more than you can afford. How? You can also pay off your daily card balance automatically with daily auto pay, and we report your spending habits to credit bureaus, helping you build your credit. So how does Mind report to the credit? Well, they actually report to Experian and TransUnion. Right now they are not reporting to Equifax, so keep this in mind. So why choose Mind? Mind is an all-in-one financial app designed to help you get ahead. You can apply for Mind card, build your credit, track your spending, get weekly reports with Money GPT and more, all in Mind app. So what they exactly do, they actually connect your bank account with their system. So whatever you have in your checking account, you can spend only that money. Your credit limit is of course $1,000, but you'll only be able to spend what you have in your checking account. This is how they work. It means that you can never ever carry a balance, so there's no interest, no hidden fee. This is an amazing opportunity. Well, they have a membership fee. They do charge a membership fee, and right here is $11 a month. Well, you can also get it billed annually as well. That is $129.99 a year. So you need to understand that this is for someone who's actually trying to build their credit. This is an amazing opportunity. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get that loan even if you have bad or worse credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.